No, you know, in the best of circumstances, it is difficult to qualify for the World Cup football finals. There are 211 member associations in FIFA, all trying desperately to get one of the 32 places up for grabs at the greatest show on earth. In CONCACAF, there are 41 member nations scrapping for 3 automatic and 1 half a spot. And we said all that to say, in qualifying for the World Cup, the margin for error is next to zero. A myriad of things must be put in place and fall in place on and off the field for any team, especially a small nation like Jamaica, to qualify for the World Cup. That is why it's only one time we reach. Administratively, we have to avail ourselves of prudent, pragmatic, and strong leadership, the kind of leadership that will ensure as much as possible that all the necessary I's are dotted and all the T's are crossed. If we do not cover all our bases, we will struggle to qualify for the big tournament. We must have the right plan, hire the right coach, identify and select the right players, find the right balance between foreign-born and local-born players. We must pick the right time to introduce new players. We have to prepare physically and psychologically. We have to do basically everything right and more just to give ourselves a chance of qualifying for the World Cup. Now, have we done that?